The Little Garden of Peace. Once upon a time, in a village nestled between green hills, there was a beautiful garden that everyone loved. The garden was special because it grew flowers of every color and shape you could imagine. Bright yellow sunflowers, soft purple violets, and even red roses that smelled like sweet candy. But the garden was more than just a place to see pretty flowers. It was a symbol of how different people could live together in peace. In this village, there were people from all kinds of beliefs. There were Christians, Muslims, Hindus, Buddhists, and many more. Each person believed something different, but they all loved the garden. Every week, the villagers would meet at the garden to enjoy the beauty, share stories, and help take care of the plants. One sunny day, a little boy named Amir walked into the garden with his mother. Amir was new to the village, and he had just moved from a faraway land. He noticed that the garden had something strange, statues of different gods and symbols from different religions. At first, Amir was confused. "Why are there so many different statues and symbols here?" Amir asked his mother. His mother smiled gently. "In this garden, we believe that all the flowers, just like all the people, are different, but we take care of them all. Each flower is beautiful in its own way, just like each person has their own beliefs. Everyone's beliefs are important, and here we respect each other." Amir still wasn't sure. He had always been taught that his religion was the best, and he didn't know how to feel about the other beliefs in the garden. But as he played near the flowers, something magical happened. He saw a group of children from different backgrounds, all laughing and playing together. Some wore different clothes, some spoke different languages, and some had different customs. But they were all friends. One of the children, a girl named Priya, invited Amir to play with them. "Do you want to help me water the flowers?" she asked, holding a watering can. Amir smiled and nodded. As they worked together, Priya explained, "We all believe in different things, but we all want the same thing, peace and kindness. And just like the flowers, we grow best when we learn from each other and help each other." Amir thought about it for a moment and realized Priya was right. The flowers didn't argue over which was the prettiest or the most important. They just bloomed, adding their beauty to the garden. From that day on, Amir understood that it wasn't about whose belief was the best. It was about living together in harmony, just like the flowers. And as he watered the garden with his new friends, he promised to always respect others, no matter how different they seemed. And so, the little garden of peace grew and grew, filled with flowers and friends from every walk of life, showing that kindness and respect for each other's beliefs made the world a much more beautiful place. The end. So kids, what can we learn from this story? 1. Respect everyone's beliefs. Even if people believe in different things, we should respect them. Just like how the garden has many different flowers, everyone's ideas and beliefs are important. 2. Kindness brings us together. When we treat others with kindness, no matter where they come from or what they believe, we make friends and grow together. 3. We're all part of a bigger world. Just like each flower in the garden adds something special, every person, no matter their background, has something wonderful to offer. 4. Celebrate differences. It's okay to be different. What makes us different can help us learn from each other and make the world more colorful and interesting. 5. Working together is powerful. When we all come together and help each other, whether we believe the same things or not, we can create something beautiful and strong. See you in the next story. Bye.